Hi guys!
Hi there.
Guess where we are? We are in the garden again. Can you say Kale?
Kale.
This little guy's working so hard and teething some molars, so we'll do the best we can. But we wanted to show you something really cool that we've done for the first time this year. You want to take them over to our basket? So I never knew you could do this, but guess what these are?
Well, let me see if they're on camera there.
These are chamomile flowers. So just like the tea, you can grow your own flowers. You just plant them by seed or transplant, and you just take these little flowers. Oh, they smell so good, and you just pop them off and dry them, and you can make your own tea. And I never knew how easy that was, that you could do that. So we wanted to show you guys. We had a whole bunch in our bed, and we just harvested and cut a whole bunch of it. But I never knew how easy that was. And look, you can just make your own tea. And you guys, a lot of you probably know how good chamomile is for you. It helps relax the body, makes especially at night, it makes you sleep better. So that was a really cool tip that we had. And then you wanted to share some extra stuff in there.
Yes. Well, let me show you guys. I got some in the bed here growing. I didn't chop these off so you can see them, but I did chop these off. But they grow like a weed. My gosh, you just plant them and forget about them and they'll grow. But look at all these flowers. Look how fun that is. We're gonna dry those. We got some kale, some nasturtiums, flowers. You can eat those. People don't know you can eat some flowers, and they're really healthy for you. Basil, purple basil, mint, some blueberries, strawberries, and some fennel taps. They were gonna make a smoothie. But lots of good superfoods, lots of good healthy foods.
So try, getting some chamomile seeds, putting them in a pot, and you can have your own pot and just make your own tea and dry them yourself. So we thought that was so cool.
And you could eat them raw too, and they taste really good.
Enjoy!
Enjoy!
Bye!